Hi, I'd like a latte, please.
Sure. What size would you like?
A medium, please.
Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please. And can I get it with almond milk?
Of course. Anything else?
Yes, a slice of chocolate cake, please.
Certainly. Would you like that warmed up?
Yes, please. And maybe a dollop of whipped cream on the cake.
You got it. Your order will be ready in a few minutes. Hello. Welcome to Trendy Styles. Is there anything specific you're looking for today?
Hi there. I'm just browsing for now, but I'm on the hunt for a nice dress for a special occasion.
Great. We have a wide selection of dresses in various styles. Is there a particular color or style you have in mind?
I'm leaning towards a classic black dress, something elegant but not too formal.
Sounds like you're attending a special event. We have a few black dresses in that style. Let me show you some options.
That would be wonderful, thank you.
Here are a few black dresses you might like.
Can I try it on in my size?
Absolutely. The fitting rooms are right over there. I'll bring this dress and a few others for you to try.
Thanks so much. I appreciate your help.
Hello there. Welcome to Shoe Haven. Is there something specific you're looking for today?
Hi. I'm in need of a comfortable pair of sneakers for my daily walks.
Great choice. We have a variety of sneakers in different brands and styles. Do you have a preferred brand or any specific requirements?
I usually wear Balance, and I need something with good arch support.
Noted. May I also ask what shoe size you wear?
Sure, I'm a size 7.
Thank you. Let me show you our selection of balanced sneakers with excellent arch support. Here are a few balanced sneakers known for their arch support. This one in particular has cushioning and a supportive insole. It's perfect for long walks.
That looks comfortable. Can I try it on in my size?
Absolutely. We have a fitting area right here. I'll get the sneakers in size 7 for you to try.
Thanks. I appreciate your help.
Hello, doctor. I have a headache that won't go away.
Can you tell me more about your headache? When did it start?
It started yesterday afternoon, and it's been hurting ever since.
I see. Is the pain on one side of your head or all over?
It's all over my head, but it's worse on the front.
Thank you for sharing that. Have you been taking any pain relievers for it?
Yes, but it didn't help much.
I understand. We'll figure this out. Let's check your blood pressure and ask a few more questions. Your blood pressure is fine. Do you have any other symptoms like nausea or sensitivity to light?
No, just the headache.
All right, it could be from stress or other factors. I recommend drinking more water, getting rest, and avoiding too much screen time.
Thank you, doctor. I'll follow your advice.
Good morning. Are you here for the first time?
Yes, my first time.
Please fill out this form. It tells us about your teeth and any problems you have.
Thanks. I'll fill it out now. Here you go. I wrote everything down.
Great, thanks. Dr. Johnson will see you soon. Do you have any questions for him?
I have a toothache and my back teeth hurt sometimes. I want Dr. Johnson to check.
Okay, we'll let him know. Please wait, and he'll call you in.
Good morning, Sarah. I see your teeth hurt. Let me check.
Hello, Dr. Johnson. Yes, they hurt sometimes.
I'll look at your teeth and talk about fixing the problem. Your teeth have a small problem that's making them hurt. We can fix it, and I'll tell you how to care for your teeth.
Thank you, Dr. Johnson.
You're welcome, Sarah. We'll make your teeth feel better. Ask me if you have questions before we start.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. You can go ahead and sit down.
Thank you. Do you know how long the ride is to downtown from here?
It usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on traffic.
Great, I appreciate the info. I'm new to this city, so any tips are helpful.
Welcome to the city. If you have any questions about getting around, feel free to ask. Hello, I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please.
Of course. May I have your name, please?
My name is Tom Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. When do you plan to check in?
I'll be arriving on the 15th of this month.
Great. And when will you check out?
I'll check out on the 17th.
Okay, you've booked a room for the 15th and 16th. How many adults will be staying in the room?
Just one adult.
Excellent. You're all set. Your room is booked for the 15th and 16th with one adult. Is there anything else you need?
No, that's it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Mr. Smith. We look forward to welcoming you on the 15th. Have a great day.
Where can I find the pasta sauce?
It's in aisle 3, right next to the pasta.
Thank you. Oh, and do you know if they have whole wheat pasta?
Yes, it's on the same aisle, a few shelves down.
Great, thanks for your help.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, feel free to ask. Hello, I'm looking for a new smartphone.
Hi, we have a variety of smartphones. Do you have a specific brand or model in mind?
I'm not sure. I want a phone with a good camera and long battery life.
Great. We have some options that match your needs. What's your budget?
I'm looking for something affordable, under $300.
Understood. Let me show you a few models within that price range. Here are a few choices. They all have good cameras and decent battery life.
Can I see the one in the middle, please?
Of course, here it is. It's a popular choice.
I like it. How much does it cost?
This one is $250. It comes with a warranty as well.
That sounds good. I'll take it.
Perfect. Let's proceed to the checkout counter. Cash or card?
Card, please. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We hope you enjoy your new smartphone.
Hi, I'm looking for a classic novel to read.
Sure, we have a classics section right over there. Is there a specific author or title you're interested in?
I've heard a lot about Jane Austen. Do you have any of her books?
Yes, we have Pride and Prejudice and Sense and Sensibility.
I think I'll go with Pride and Prejudice. I've heard it's a timeless story.
Excellent choice. It's a beloved classic. Enjoy your reading.